in the BJP today announced the appointment of Bihar Minister Nitin Nabin as the National Working President of the party. He is a 4-time MLA from Bankipur, and he's also been a minister in the state government. He's the son of a veteran BJP leader, Nabin Kishore Sinha. So celebrations breaking out there in Bihar, in Patna, with the announcement, and the BJP in Bihar celebrating the announcement of one of their own, Nitin Nabin, as the working president of the BJP. In fact, the Prime Minister also posted praising him, saying that Nitin Nabin ji has distinguished himself as a hard-working karyakarta. He is young, industrious leader with rich organizational experience and has impressive record as MLA as well as minister in Bihar for multiple terms. He's diligently worked to fulfill people's aspirations, known for his humble nature and grounded style of working. So the BJP there appointing Nitin Nabin as the working president. Remember, this is an announcement that has been long due. In fact, there has been expectations of an announcement for the national president of the BJP, but for the moment it seems more of an interim position as the working president. So 5-time Bihar MLA Nitin Nabin, now the working president of the BJP. Let's listen into what he said.
कार्यकर्ता के रूप में काम करने से पार्टी के वरिष्ठ नेता हमेशा आपको ध्यान देते हैं, और मैं तो इसके लिए बस पार्टी के नेताओं के साथ और उनके साथ जो आशीर्वाद मिला है उसको आगे काम करेंगे।
सर क्या उम्मीद थी सर?
All right, so Nitin Nabin there, after this announcement and being felicitated by his partymen there, by the Deputy Chief Minister there in Bihar as well, and celebrations breaking out outside the office. He comes from a family that his father too was a Bihar politician in Bihar. He's a 5-time Bihar MLA and a state minister as well, someone who has worked on campaigns in an important position, given that the BJP is now from next year we're going into more state elections, so the party needs all hands on deck, and a president who is working fully on the party. Currently it is JP Nadda who had got an extension in 2024 and has been and is a union minister as well. So there was expectations that after the Bihar elections the announcement would be made of the next BJP president, and in fact not just the announcement but actually a leader from Bihar getting appointed as the working president of the BJP.